So there are a lot of improvements that you get with the 996.2, one of which is a glove box. However, they did take a little step backwards when it went to the truck situation. They moved to electrical switches from the cable-operated ones. And when your battery is dead, how do you get into there? Luckily, they thought through it a little bit. So you go to your fuse panel here, and then right here there's this little red one that slides out. So you can apply a little bit of power there. Get that on there. And we'll just hook this to the door, turn it on, and now the hood is popped. You don't want to jump the car from here. That's a terrible idea. And put that all back, and then you're good to go.